Motorcycling is in my life since I'm a little kid. I've learned almost anything by my own, reading books and watching videos and hitting my head on the walls of the workshop. I just do it because I love it, but I have no real reasons, I think.
Sultan of Sprint is not only a race, you also have to find a character. And Breeze, which is a bit crazy, very friendly, is totally perfect for this kind of atmosphere.
The inspiration of this build is coming from the bike of Christian Saron for Sonoto, who've been riding at the Boulder in France in 1985. And I choose this one because she's really scary actually, with this flat face. I really love it.
We started the yard build project with a hyper-modified custom build with VMAX in 2012. Since this date, we presented 65 bikes prepared by the most famous bike builder in the world. After 65 bikes, it's not that easy to find a new project and a new inspiration. And when we had the idea to race the Sultan of Sprint, we had to change a bit the rules.
Yeah, the XSR700 is really interesting for the drag racing because it's really light and the engine is locked on 180 degrees, so that gives you a lot of torque actually.
We let Workhorse and Breeze to go a bit further, modifying both the frame and touching a bit the engine to reach the top performance of the bike.
The engine has been a little bit upgraded. All the body is shaped from aluminium, so all the fairing, the seats, the fuel tank. And the main modification is the nitro system with the computer. The list is really long actually, so I can talk for a few hours about the modifications.
This bike is going to race on four different sprints and 4 different countries with 4 different pilots. So for the moment we keep secret the 4 pilots, but stay tuned because the pilots are quite crazy, like the bike. This is the most crazy yard build we ever presented since the beginning. No, we pushed hard. This bike is extreme, so I think it's going to catch attention of people.
It was a nice gift from Yamaha to offer me to make this, and I'm happy about what I've done. So yeah, nothing more to say, just let's race it.